Hi guys, welcome to Tech Investment Diaries. In this channel, I am intending to share with you the investments that I make, the mistakes that I make, and everything that I've done over my investment journey. This is not really an expert advice because I'm not really an investment expert. I'm just like you and me, just investing on my sideline and just trying to make some more money and build a financial independence future. So a little bit about myself. I'm 33 years old, male. I work in the tech industry, specifically cybersecurity. Although I was financially trained in a university, that is basically I can read financial statements and such. I know what are the terms, what does it mean when they say something, but I'm not really by no means a financial have worked in a financial capacity and all these. So it's just very basic level. And usually because of my hectic schedule for my day job, I don't really have time for detailed analysis in my investments. So, which is kind of like a disadvantage. But currently, this is how it is. I started in 2020, but I have been doing investing a bit more seriously from 2024 onwards. So it's about 2 years. The main purpose of this channel is I want to learn together from my mistakes and I want to improve together. And again, this is not really expert point of view because in no way I'm an investment expert. I'm just a day-to-day retail investor. So let's learn together. I will share about the mistakes that I make and what I learned from it. Maybe there are things that I'm still thinking it wrongly, and you can just always comment and let me know. So first, my investment philosophy is that I will try to invest from my circle of competence, meaning the areas that I'm familiar with. I work in tech industry. I had some financial knowledge, so the stocks that I choose are usually more tech focused, more US market focused, because that's the area that I'm familiar with. And I really love value investing, and I try to learn about it. So in general, I will try to stick to this kind of investing philosophy, and I am able to hold for long because I don't really have super immediate need for most of these funds that I have deployed, and I will try to sell only in the conditions below. If I need money for a big purchase, maybe I might be purchasing a house soon, then I will need to sell some of the investments. Otherwise, I'll try not to touch it. Or maybe the nature of the industry change on one of the stocks, and the stocks that I purchase is no longer good in my opinion, then I will probably sell. But this is a bit subjective, so I still need to review if this is something really makes sense. So the area of focus, as I mentioned, is tech, blue chip, US stocks, and I buy silver for hedging purposes and of course for the recent bull run, and occasionally I also buy Singapore stocks as well. So the current investment portfolio stands at this is Singapore dollar, about $232,000. Currently I've realized about 8,000 gains, and yeah, this is currently the market value of the investments. I haven't really been having a lot of unrealized gains so far. I think in fact the portfolio is actually even down based on the money deployed. So it's not really making money yet, but I'm hoping this will change soon. So the current portfolio that I have are these. So I have Meta, Facebook, Palo Alto. This is in cyber, and some silver, Palantir, Mastercard, Fortinet, VO, S&P 500, Amazon, Adobe, Dell, PP. This is a meme coin. I just bought it for fun, but I also wanted some exposure into the crypto market and see what's happening. And football TV. So as you can see, the portfolio is a little bit of a mix. I talk about my investment philosophies just now, but I don't really think that I have been following it diligently, which is something that I need to fix. and if you can see, most of the things are tech focused, but there are also some meme stocks and a lot of FOMO that I actually went in to buy because of impromptu decisions, which again something that I need to fix. Currently, based on my portfolio, my biggest holding is Amazon, and followed by Adobe, and Adobe is down pretty much. So that's actually something that has been dragging down my portfolio quite a bit. So yes, this is what I have so far, and in the subsequent videos, I will try to share the mistakes that I've made and the things that I have learned over the years with the specific examples on what was the mistake that I make, and hopefully we can learn together, and it's also as a reminder to myself that I made this mistake and I don't do it again. And that's more or less it, and thank you for watching.